Mia was excited to start her new internship at the local museum. On her first day, she noticed everyone seemed particularly busy setting up a new exhibit. Her boss, curator Grayson, told her they were preparing for the International Day of Conscience the next day. He asked if she would like to help organize an educational event for visitors. Mia eagerly agreed, curious to learn more about this day she had never heard of. Grayson explained that the International Day of Conscience was proclaimed in 2019 by the United Nations. It aims to promote peace, tolerance, inclusion, and human rights. The day was inspired by a UNESCO conference where world leaders declared, "There can be no peace without justice, and no justice without conscience." The inaugural day in 2020 promoted interfaith harmony and solidarity across cultures. The day is important to raise awareness of our shared human values and bring people together. Grayson said the museum wanted to highlight how we all must develop a conscience, an inner sense to do the right thing, to build a just, sustainable, and compassionate world. Mia loved this mission and felt proud to contribute. To celebrate, Mia and Grayson organized an interactive exhibit on world religions, sharing quotes on conscience from spiritual leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. and Gandhi. Museum visitors could place colored dots next to their favorite quotes and see others' choices. A local children's choir performed peace songs, and a theater group did reenactments of moral dilemmas to spark discussions. The day's events were a success, with many attendees commenting how it inspired reflection on our shared humanity. An elderly man told Mia, "It gives me hope for the future to see people of all backgrounds coming together to affirm the virtues of conscience and morality." His words resonated with Mia. She realized a day promoting ideas like ethics, kindness, and human rights had enormous power to unite and uplift people. That evening, Mia told her parents about International Day of Conscience. They were impressed with her work and how much she learned. Mia went to bed feeling she had contributed to something profoundly meaningful. She knew this was the start of an internship that would shape her character and direction in life. A day dedicated to conscience had strengthened her own. April 5th is International Day of Conscience. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful International Day of Conscience. Cheers!